He flew into the glass.
Yeah.
And then he was kind of laying there for a little bit. And now maybe he's just resting until he feels better. And then he can fly. I don't know.
Yeah, he's so now fly. Look, that is the mama, and that's behind is the dada.
Oh.
And this way by me is the baby boy.
Maybe. We'll kind of see how he does. I think he's coming around a little bit. See, he's kind of becoming more alert. He's looking around. Oh, there. Hey, look. Look at that. See, he's already feeling a little better, I think.
You battle.
Yeah, and he pooped.
Whoa, he pooped.
Yeah.
You poop again.
Oh, kind of. Yeah, he must have.
Whoa,
Hey,
I see one.
he's all better. Did you
I see a poop.
I know. He's all better. Isn't that happy?
Yeah, now he's happy.
And are you happy?
Bye-bye, boy. He did poopy.
I know.
Look. Now we have to wipe it.
Nope, we can just leave that right there. We don't have to do anything to it. We'll just let the rain and the nature get rid of it. Is that a good idea? Did you feel bad for that bird?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
He already feel better. He stopped walking and he stopped right there. And then he did a bold poop.
Yeah, did it kind of startle you when he flew into the
Look
window?
it. Look, I see.
What?
Now there was a fly.
Oh, okay. Well,
There was a fly.
that's not a big deal. All right.